Now let us try to understand the visibility section and access specifier of the inherited class, which are like public, private and public protected. So let us write a simple program, first considering everything as public, and then we will be changing one by one to the protected and private and see the difference and understand the concept better. So let us first create a class base, flower brackets, and inside this we will write int I comma j. If you are not specifying any visibility section, the system treat as public. It is default. Public is default. Let us write public void set the data function with int a comma int b, and inside the flower brackets let us write I is equal to a comma j is equal to b. Instead of writing in separate lines, I am writing it in one line, that's all. And now let us write one more function, show cout value of I. Let us give one space here. Print the value inside the j and skip to the next line. So this is our base class. Let us now create a inherited class. Inheritance. This is commenting inheritance. Now let us create a class derived. So here base and derived are the name of the class, don't get confused. And the syntax is colon and public. This is access specifier. We are accessing it as a public class base. Now all the functions and the data types of the class base are available inside the derived. So let us write int k. Now public derived, we will write a function with int x, and here we will write k is equal to, we are just setting the data, and let us write one more function from the derived class, void show k. This is to show the value of k. Cout k and l. So now we have created the derived class also. So now let us start our program with int main. Try to understand this program. We will be just changing all this like public to private and public to protected in our next sections. Once you understand this program, all the topics we will be discussing in the next 3 or 4 lectures will be understood better. So let us create a object, derived object, and let us give 4. So what we have declared here, declared a object, and inside the brackets we are giving 4. What does it mean? Go to the derived class, int k, we are passing the value 4 here. So k is now 4. K is always 4 now. And now let us set the data which is here. We will be setting the value of A and B using these objects. Object dot set, let us set A as 1, B as 2. Successfully we have set, and this should be inside the flower brackets, don't forget. Now let us call the show the values of A and B first. So we can set the value of K separately, but we have defaultly set the value of K as 4 here. And now let us call show K, show the value K function which is inside the derived class, and return 0, close the program. So now let us build it, see whether there are any errors. Everything seems to be fine. Now run it. So the values of A and B are 1 and 2, and the value of K is 4. So I think you understood it. This is just a simple like base class and a derived class, and accessing the data because everything is public. All the data and the functions of the base class are available to the derived class, and through the object we are accessing this data and calling the functions. This is a simple example. In the next lecture we will be changing this public section into private or protected to see the difference and understand the concept better. So see you in the next video.